Try these new painkillers. They help a lot.
The new G-Max shoes. You go so fast in these.
This bag is available for my subscribers, link below. 12 colors for every occasion.
New waterproof tents for any adventure.
If you're single and rich, join this new dating app.
If you're new to climbing, join my class every Saturday morning.
New running club every Sunday morning with me, Bob.
Check out this new G-Max gaming mouse.
We have a special deal for haircuts today.
Please donate to libraries. Keep them open.
Don't forget to subscribe to Gerard.
Please consider rescuing a dog today.
Have you ever considered cryptocurrency?
A brand new cinema experience is coming.
Come along to dance school every Thursday night.